If you don't think drought is a big deal but still care about human lives, then watch this. The US is making a crucial move. The United States has pledged an additional $39 million in drought response assistance to Zimbabwe. That's a whopping $62 million in aid since the start of fiscal year 2024. This funding, through USAID, aims to tackle food insecurity, improve agricultural practices and boost community resilience during this El Niño-induced crisis. The drought has hit hard, causing severe crop and livestock losses. With 6 million people projected to need food aid, the situation is dire. But there's hope. US Ambassador Pamela M. Tremont has called on other donors to join the effort, emphasizing the importance of democratic institutions, public health, and regional security for Zimbabwe's future. Your support can make a difference. Together, we can help Zimbabwe weather this storm.